In this tutorial, I'll show you how to create and use a custom index on Tradingview so you can track multiple stocks as one single chart. Don't forget to like and subscribe. First, open Tradingview and load your dashboard. At the bottom of your screen, click on the stock screener. This is where you can filter and find stocks based on specific criteria like sector. Now, use the filter option and choose the sector you want. For example, you can select communication services or any industry you're interested in. This will instantly show you a list of relevant stocks. Next, pick a few stocks you want in your custom index. For example, you might choose major companies from that sector. Hold Ctrl or Command and select multiple stocks. Then right-click and add them to a new watch list. Give your watch list a clear name like Custom Index. Once your list is ready, go back to your chart. At the top symbol search bar, type your selected tickers using a plus sign between them. For example, type something like Stock 1 plus Stock 2 plus Stock 3, then press Enter. Tradingview will automatically combine them into one chart. This creates your custom index, showing the combined performance of all selected stocks. Now you can analyze this chart just like any other asset. Add indicators, draw trend lines, or compare it with other indices to understand overall sector strength. That's it. You've created your own custom index and can now track multiple stocks in one simple view. Subscribe for more Tradingview tips and tutorials.